everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and currently I am under the boardwalk. That's right, I'm under the boardwalk because they're fixing some of the boardwalk here in North Wildwood. Yeah, we're looking straight up through the boardwalk. Kind of strange, right? I'll tell you what's going on. Before I do, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So I feel like we make this video every single year, but I think it's fantastic at the same time. Every single year, North Wildwood picks a section of the boardwalk to go ahead and redo. It's redoing some of the planks, maybe some of the concrete work, some of the supports in the middle, so that when you're walking, they're not bouncing or popping up. Currently, they're doing, it looks like a little bit between 18th and 19th Street. It's not a long stretch, but it's a decent sized stretch. I mean, it's starting over there and going to right over there. And I'll go on the boardwalk in a minute and share with you what it looks like up there, but it's always cool to be underneath of it as they're fixing it, because you don't really get to see up through the boardwalk as much. You don't realize how tall it is. I mean, it's massively high off the ground compared to what it is in Wildwood. Now you're probably saying, hey Joey, isn't this have to do with all the damage down by the Wildwood sign? Is this that funding? No, this is North Wildwood. They do this every single year. They pick a certain section. That's a whole nother problem. We still need $40 million in order to fix the entire boardwalk, including, I mean, look, you can see here, obviously they take care of it. But down there in Wildwood, it's still kind of, we really need the money to get the whole thing fixed. They did go ahead and put a temporary fix where they went to the columns. They went ahead and put nice supports around it. And then on the boardwalk where the concrete work is, I know for the Trump rally, they just put wood on top of that just so that it's safe enough to walk on. But that still needs $40 million. So got to work on that. But let's go on the boardwalk and share with you what it looks like up there. And as we're walking to go check out the top part of the boardwalk, see right over here is all the wood they're going to use to replace it. Putting it right on the beach and then carting it right on top over here. There's actually a section of the railing they took off, and they're putting the wood right there. So you'll notice that they're doing this reconstruction a little bit different. They ripped off the first part of the boards and threw them away in a dumpster right over there. These are the middle beams where the boards go across. If that needs to be replaced, they have wood over there behind me to put it there. But if not, they check it, make sure it looks good, and then they'll reuse that. There is a section like right here, you could tell it's a new piece there, and the new piece was all the way back there. And then they'll get the wood that's sitting on that side and nail it down. And to add extra support in the middle of the block, the way it works is there's a column here and a column over here. To add extra, I guess, oomph to the middle of it so that it doesn't bounce, they add in a second beam here, which just attaches all of the 9 beams going across. Here you can see another example of a new beam versus an old beam. There's a new beam in right here, and then you have an older beam over here. This one looks like it's good enough for them to reuse. This one must have been rotten, so they got rid of it, and then they'll go ahead and put this new one in. Now, from the looks of the wood that they have on the boardwalk and on the beach, where is it at? Right there, okay. It looks like they're gonna go ahead and redo both sides of it. So that side and this side of it, plus maybe a little bit over here, who knows? But thank you to the city of North Wildwood for taking care of the boardwalk. It's going to be very nice once it's done. Now, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and I'll see you guys on the beach. See you later. Bye.